Here we have AVAX, or Avalanche, I believe it is, Avalanche versus the dollar. We're going to do general overview on this one. Daily, a bit of a pullback alongside the rest of the market yesterday on that nice fake news from Walmart. But this is still consolidating around the highs. This is typically a good setup, and I would be looking at BBWP to kind of be the judge of this one. We do see that it's still expanding. Moving average is obviously above 50 percentile as well. That is good. Looking at the short-term time frames, like a 4-hour right here, looks like we got another higher low right around about 51 bucks. So that is risk for the short-term time frames, essentially invalidation point. Actually, exactly what we had marked off yesterday for a correction. Nice, not bad. Every once in a while, that TA bullshit works, huh? I would be looking for this one to pop back up short-term, probably around about 61 bucks. Again, invalidation below about 50, and I would be looking for a continuation on the invalidation somewhere down around low 40, like 41 to 42 bucks or so before the next 4-hour bounce. But I do like the setup overall. It is actually still pretty damn good. And if we go to the weekly, I'm never going to hate a chart that looks like this. That closed on new all-time highs, just had the backfill. I'd be looking for this one to pop back up. This looks very similar to Cardano, actually. Let's go look at momentum oscillators over here and see what this one's looking like on the short and medium term time frames here specifically. Well, I guess now that we're on the daily momentum oscillators remain to the upside as long as above 44.5. Nice, not bad. 12-hour is actually crossing down. Will pop back up with any sort of a closure above 61 bucks, and that was the continuation target for the short-term time frames. 4-hour is freshly popping back up as well. Actually, even playing out a trend line right here as well. Coming in back from August 26th, actually. So getting all these local lows. Yeah, this low, this low, this low, and potentially this low as well is what it looks like to me. And my experimental indicator over here is actually showing, well, a nice move as well. So I would be biased towards a short-term upside move, a little bit of a pullback from that region at about 60 bucks or so. And then if you see a 12-hour close above there, well, I probably would be looking for new highs in this one. Where the algo targets be, or do we even have them right now? Yeah, we do. I guess at that point I'd be looking, like, I'm not saying that this is going to happen in the same fucking day, but maybe the next couple of weeks, about 100 bucks or so. Let me see where I'd be looking for on a stop on the way. Let's just right there. Okay. Yes, and I'll probably be looking for like a medium term pullback at around 77 or 80 bucks or so. But it does look good. One of the better charts. Nothing bearish about it on the daily, especially as long as it's above about 40 bucks or so. So I do like it. Nice one, Avalanche. There you go.